Alright, what's up, players? It's your boy Mikeyyywill here. If you guys have not already, please hit that subscribe button. We got more content coming soon. On the way to a car meet. I didn't even want to go because they were just like, yeah, man, there's gonna be some dope cars there, yada yada yada. And it's like a toy drive too, and I was like, yeah, that's pretty cool. Like, I dig that. But like, what they didn't tell me was like,
at the next light.
I mean, I guess you could just bring anything. People said they've seen better, they've seen worse, you know. I mean, I got some toys, you feel me? Got some toys going, some little Nerf blasters. But yeah, I'm actually in the van, guys, so wish your boy luck. I got the cooler cart with me, I don't know if you guys can see that. And I should probably do a van tour soon, because I'm sure people might ask me some questions about this thing, and it's been a journey with this thing, guys.
Working on the weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yo, what's up, man? I tried messing. Yo, let me pull over.
Wait, what the f is that?
It's a little cart, dude. Come on, man.
You gonna pop a wheelie or what?
Here, hold this.
Yo, go on in. Where'd you park at? Where'd you park at?
Way down there. It's the one huge tall van way back there. You can see it all the way in the distance. Yeah. There was no parking up here.
What time did you get here?
Like 5-10 minutes ago. Oh yeah.
Right here, pops.
This brake sucked. Whoa, what is that thing?
I don't know what the fuck.
That is a chalupi. That's awesome. About a little cooler cart in a
Grand
minute.
tour about this thing?
Yeah. Give me a little grand tour.
It's an RX-7. It's a right-hand drive, 96.
Yeah, go open it up, man. What you trying to do?
You're right.
Come on, man. This ain't no. What? The keys in the door? And like the little. What? Nah.
Oh, yeah, I gotta pop.
What do you mean? What? What is this?
You haven't seen the engine yet?
No.
Here you go. It's stock everything except for the intercooler, the ESC, and the radiator.
Yeah.
It's a front mount intercooler.
This thing is.
Crazy.
Yeah, this thing is low, man.
It's a battery for a bike.
No, it's not. Yo, that's so small. Look at that thing.
2-stroke.
Wow.
Ready intercooler.
I think you said. Oh no. You did say the intercooler was.
Yeah.
So I gotta like pull this to open the door. What? No driving wheel. Steering wheel. What? Oh, I see why you want to change that radio out.
Yeah.
You.
Nice. And then we've got the VPSs.
Hey, look. Oh.
The RGRs off of the Spirit RX-7.
Nah. I have a little van built down there that I brought.
That's tough though.
Oh yeah, yo. Cause I've been to a couple car meets and like, I don't like walking. You know what I mean? Yeah. What's your name, man?
Jordan.
What's your? Oh, hold on. Hey, Keith, man. What's up, Mike, man? Are you guys about to head out of here?
Yeah.
This thing is mint. I wish I could have stayed a little longer. Jeez.
But it looks right. That's a bit apartment 5.